Well, we have breaking news, my friends, that Uber drivers have gone on strike over pay issues. Please thumbs up the video to help spread this and comment your thoughts down below. Does Uber need to do something to save the app, to help drivers right now in a time of crisis? And I think they are. I think they're neglecting drivers. So we're gonna talk about it. Before I get started, I wanna tell you all about the sponsor of today's video, Ivycard. Ivycard is helping drivers get free cash advances right now for a limited time. If you ever need a cash advance, if you ever, late to pay your, you're not gonna get money in time to pay your rent, you can get a cash advance. We have a link right now for a limited time. If you sign up with my link, you get unlimited free cash advances. They're super awesome. I like Ivycard, and we have a little partnership with them, and they're helping out gig workers like tremendously. So if you ever need a cash advance, definitely go to Ivycard. I'll have the link below, and now let's get started. So listen to this, my friends. Uber drivers this is on computerweekly.com, Uber drivers strike over pay issues and algorithmic transparency. Unionized Uber drivers take industrial action against the company over its failure to pay workers in line with the Supreme Court decision and inflation, as well as the lack of transparency around how it uses their data. Uber drivers employed by the ride-hailing app Uber are staging a 24-hour national strike today. Well, that was on yesterday, June 22nd, in the United Kingdom over a variety of ongoing issues around pay, the company's failure to comply with the Supreme Court ruling, and its lack of algorithmic transparency. So this isn't just going on in America or Ghana or East Africa. This is also going on in the United Kingdom. And do you guys think that unions should come to America? Listen to this. Members of the App Drivers and Couriers Union, who organized the strike, also staged a protest demonstration outside Uber's Aldgate Tower office in London, which was attended by 400 drivers, and are asking the public not to cross the digital picket line by using the Uber app during the strike period. Holy smokes. Said that drivers are facing an unprecedented cost of living crisis due to increasing fuel inflation, 44% vehicle cost, 28%, household inflation, 7.8%, while Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi earns $45 million this year at an equivalent hourly pay rate of $21,000. Holy smokes, to resolve this industrial dispute. So guys, people hate Dara Khosrowshahi even in the UK. I mean, guys, I think it's just, there's such an issue right now with the way that gas prices are just going through the roof. Inflation's going through the roof. I just went to the freaking burger store the other day. I got a burger. It was like not a fast food place, but it was like burger joint. And the burger was like $9. Fries were $4. By the time I finished paying, it was like $16. And I got a drink too. It was like 16, 17 bucks. I was like, I remember when it used to be like, you go to a fancy restaurant, a burger was like $15. You were like, what? 15 bucks for burger and fries? I could get a normal burger and fries for like $5. And now you go to a normal place and it's 15 bucks. You go to Chick-fil-A, you get a burger, fries and a drink, and it's like over 10 bucks. It's like crazy. Inflation's like, I don't know. It's just like, I feel like we've forgotten the days where like you can get a burger and fries for like $4. So, in February 2021, the Supreme Court ruled that drivers should be classified as workers rather than self-employed individuals. Wow, that's actually really interesting. That's in the United Kingdom, giving roughly 70,000 drivers the right to be paid the national minimum wage, to receive statutory minimum holiday pay and rest breaks, as well as protection from unlawful discrimination and whistleblowing. You know what this sounds like? It sounds like Uber's just doing everything they can to like not provide those benefits to workers, but like every like different state, every country is like trying to bombard them, and Uber's like just resisting as much as they can. So anyways, just want to make this quick vid. Let me know your thoughts. Sign up for Ivycard, link in the description box down below. Ivycard could totally help you out, if you're ever struggling to pay rent, and maybe you're gonna face an eviction, or your car payment, you need to hurry up and pay it. They're gonna help you out. And if you sign up right now, you will get lifetime free membership, lifetime free cash advances. And again, they're a new company, so work with them. They're new. They love drivers. The founder, his parents were gig workers, so he really understands like what the whole struggle of being a gig worker and the kind of whole like liquidity issue with, like, you know, sometimes you just need money faster. So anyways, don't pay your overdraft fees. I know I've gone negative a few times. They charged me a $35. And then you're like more negative, and it's like, dang, the heck, you're kicking me while I'm down. So sign up for Ivycard, link below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys soon. You guys are awesome. Bye now.